Hi guys, ordered this Godrej hydraulic door closer heavy duty from Amazon.in, and let's do the unboxing. So this is it. It says hydraulic door closer with dual speed control, and as you can see, it can be used for right hand and left hand door openings, and it can support door weight up to 60 kg. The ad on Amazon.in mentioned that it can support up to 68 kgs. So, and the door panel width can be 900 mm. The door opening can be up to 180 degrees. Okay, so it has a 2-speed function, and it says that it is constructed from precise aluminium die-cast body with steel arm. So let's open it and see what's in the package. So in the box it says that this product has a 3-year manufacturer warranty from Godrej, India. So here is the instruction manual on how to install it. Now let's see what's in the package. You get the screws and washers. This is the door closer. It's pretty heavy. Must be around 2 kgs. And this is the steel arm. I'm going to install it on the steel gate of our building, which will be pretty heavy. So I'll upload another video after installing it and let you know how it functions. Bye.